Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to make a beep application in Coco. So come down to the dock, open up Xcode. File, new project, Coco application. I'll put it in documents, project name, test, beep. Alright, and here's our main Xcode window. So what you're going to want to do is click on main menu.nib. What nib files do is they open up an application called Interface Builder right here. And what Interface Builder does is it helps you build your application interface. Okay, so what you're going to do is come over to this library palette window, search for button, just choose the first, doesn't really matter, just put anywhere on the window, resize it. Alright, let's call it beep. Then come over here, click on objects and controllers, drag over an NS object, and let's give it a beep controller class. Let's add an action. We'll call that action test beep colon, because all your actions have to end with a colon for whatever reason. But what you're going to want to do is come over to this window where you just put a button and call it beep. Hold the control key and click, and then it'll have a blue line thing. Come over to beep controller and choose test beep. Then make sure the button is not selected. Make sure it's on beep controller. Go to file, write class files. Yeah, I guess save beep controller. Doesn't matter where it's saved. Make sure you create the .h file. Make sure it's written in Objective-C. Save it. Then we'll go to Xcode. This little down arrow. Right click on classes. Add existing files. Alright, what do I just call those? Beep controller.h, beep controller.m. Make sure you select both of them by holding shift and clicking on them. Add alright, so first come down to beep controller.h. Delete this, that's a comment. Don't delete the bracket though. And then at interface beep controller colon ns object. So it inherits from ns object. Then we'll command S, save it. We'll come down to the implementation file. Just in the middle of that, ns beep. Oops. ns beep. Open parentheses, close parentheses, semicolon. Command S, save it. Then we will go to build and go. Save all. And just wait for it to compile. Alright, and test beep is launched. And when we click on it, it makes a beep. You can move this around, minimize it, maximize it, and exit out. You can just quit this. And that is my tutorial on how to make a beep application in Coco. So